Hi, today we discuss about flood recovery San Diego. San Diego, the beautiful city on the coast of California, is known for its clear weather, beautiful beaches, and vibrant culture. However, like any other city, San Diego is not immune to nature disaster, and flooding is one such calamity that can cause significant damages to region. Floods are common in San Diego, particularly during the rainy season, lasts, which typically lasts from December to February. Heavy rainfall can cause rivers to overflow, leading to flash floods, and widespread damages to homes, businesses, and infrastructures. Step 1. Safety first. Safety is the top priority during the flood recovery. After a flood is essentially to ensure that you and your family are safe before attempting any recovery activities. If you have evacuated your home during the flood, do not return until local authorities declare it safe to do so. Once you return home, assess the damages carefully and avoid touching any electrical appliances or wires that may have exposed to water. If you smell gas or suspect a gas leak, evacuate immediately and call the gas company. Step 2. Document the damages. Before beginning the cleanup process, document the damage to your property. Take photographs and videos of the affected areas and make a detailed inventory of the items that you have been damaged and destroyed. The documentation will be useful when filing insurance claims and applying for disaster relief assistance. Step 3. Cleanup and restoration. Cleanup and restoration process can be lengthy and challenging, depending on the extent of the damage. If the damage is severe, it may be best to hire a professional restoration company that specializes in flood recovery. If you choose to do cleanup yourself, take the necessary precautions, include wearing protective gear such as gloves and masks to avoid exposure to, to harmful substances. Begin by removing all the standing water from your property and drying out any wet areas. This can be done with the help of pumps, dehumidifiers, and fans. Step 4. Repair and building. After the complete cleanup and restoration process, it's time to begin the repair and rebuilding process. This may involve fixing damaged walls, floors, and ceilings, replacing electrical and pumping system, and restoring any other area of property that were affected by the floods.